Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a really exciting video. We're going to be doing a full face using all drugstore affordable products. I'm super excited. I've been accumulating drugstore products every now and then, trying to get like a full face of makeup. The only thing I did forget was setting spray. I totally blanked on that, but everything else I used drugstore. I didn't even use the setting spray today, but I actually feel like I didn't need to. Like, nothing looked too cakey or powdery. And yeah, I ended up doing this like cut crease colorful look. Festival season is coming up, and I was just like really inspired and wanted to play with some color for spring. And of course we did a full face of makeup, so we did a full coverage face and also a nude lip. And so yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Also, before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so 3 times a week. And yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. Okay guys, first we're going to start off by correcting under my eyes. I'm going to be using this NYX Conceal and Contour palette and taking the pinkier shade just on top of those eye veins. And then this was me realizing, oh crap, I forgot to prime my face! And so I went ahead and just wiped off the concealer from where my pores were so I can apply my primer. And then today I'm going to be using the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over the face except for the under eyes. And then I'm just going back in with that corrector, kind of blending it out so it doesn't look too harsh. Then for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm just going to be using that with my Morphe contour and highlight sponge. And then to go ahead and highlight and conceal the face, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C6. I'm going to be placing this basically everywhere, so under my eyes, also to highlight the face and clean up my contour. And I'm also going to be using it as an eyeshadow primer as well. And then I'm just going to be blending that all in using that same sponge. Now to go ahead and set that concealer, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Fair Light, and I'm just going to be setting my concealer and also baking the face with this. And then for the eyes today, we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution Soph palette and taking this mustardy brown right here as the transition shade, so into the crease and above it, and just blowing that color out. And then going in with a smaller brush into this pink shade right here, we're going to be using this into the crease. And then we're also going to start winging the color out to make more of a cat eye shape on the lid. Okay, now that we've been baking for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and remove the bake by just pressing it into the skin. Now moving back to the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the crease, and I'm going to do it in the same shape that we flicked out that eyeshadow. So we're doing more of a cat eye shape, and we're just going to cut the crease like normal and then flick it out on the outer corner. And I'm just using concealer for this. I don't know if I said that already. Then I'm taking some more concealer on a flat brush and I'm just going to fill in the whole lid with concealer all the way up to that flip. Then I'm going to be taking this really pretty purple from the palette on a flat brush and I'm going to place this in the inner part of the lid all the way up to the middle of my eye. And then for the other half of my lid, I'm taking the same brush in this blue shade and I'm just going to put this on the outer half of the lid. And I just cleaned off the brush before I used it like on a towel and then just went in with this blue shade. And then we're also flicking this color out as well. Okay, and to intensify these lid shades, I'm going to go ahead and spray the brush with some MAC Fix Plus and then just go back in with the same exact colors just to make them a little bit more foiled and more vibrant. Okay, now we're going back in with that pink that we used in the crease on a small defined brush and we're just outlining those lid colors. Now just going back in with that mustardy brown we started with and just blending everything together. Okay, and now I'm just taking my Maybelline Align Stiletto eyeliner and I'm just going to draw a really simple line just on my lash line. Then going in with the dark brown from the palette on a flat brush, I'm just going to outline my lower lash line with this. And then taking that same pink color we've been using to go ahead and blend that out. And then just going back in with that brown one more time. Then we're going to be taking some translucent powder and just cleaning up this eyeshadow and we're going to let it bake for a little bit. And while that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and do my face. I'm going to bronze up my face using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And I'm just using this as a contour and a bronzer all in one. And then for blush today, I'm using this Milani one, and it's in the color Luminoso. And now I'm just wiping off that bake that we had under our eyeshadow. Then for highlight today, I'm using my Wet n Wild highlight in the color Precious Petal, and I'm going to apply this highlight basically everywhere on the face, so on the top of the cheekbones, my forehead, cupid's bow, nose. Then to go ahead and intensify that highlight, I'm taking this Colourpop highlight in the color Flexateriain, and I'm just going to be placing this with my fingers on the very, very, very high points of the face just to add a really nice pop. And then to go ahead and set my brows, I'm using this Essence Make Me Brow to go ahead and set them in place. It's an exact dupe for the Benefit Gimme Brow. Then for mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Big Shot Mascara on the top and lower lashes. And then for false lashes today, I'm using my Whispies from Ardell. Then taking this vanilla shimmery shade from the palette on the inner corners of my eyes and also to highlight the bottom of my brow. And I just love this color to highlight. I use it like every time I use this palette. And then for lips, I'm lining them with my NYX lip liner in the color Peekaboo Neutral. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill them in with this Maybelline matte lipstick in the color Nude Embrace. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you guys like me doing more drugstore tutorials, and I will do more of them for you guys. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!